Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm sharing my experience with the Samsung 65-inch QLED Series TV 2025 model. This is a premium-looking TV meant for people who want excellent picture quality, smooth gaming, and a smart, future-ready experience without going into ultra-expensive OLED territory. As always, just to be clear from the start, I bought the Samsung TV from Amazon using the link in the description. And if you're planning to buy it, I recommend using the same link because you usually get the best price and ongoing discounts there. Let me start with the most important thing, picture quality, because that's where this TV really shines. The colors look rich, vibrant, and very natural, not oversaturated. Thanks to Samsung's QLED panel and Quantum HDR, bright scenes look punchy and dark scenes still retain good detail. Whether I'm watching Netflix, YouTube, or even normal DTH content, the 4K upscaling is impressive. Older or lower resolution videos look noticeably sharper. For movies and web series, especially in 4K HDR, the screen feels cinema-like, and the 65-inch size makes a big difference if you watch from a decent distance. The sound is surprisingly good for a slim TV. With object tracking sound light, audio feels more directional, like the sound follows what's happening on screen. For normal rooms, you honestly don't need a soundbar immediately, though adding one later will make it even better. If you're into gaming, this TV is a solid choice. The gaming hub is very convenient, and gameplay feels smooth and responsive. Casual gamers and console players will definitely enjoy the experience, especially on a big 65-inch display. Day-to-day performance is also very smooth. Apps open fast, navigation is lag-free, and the TV feels quick and intelligent. Thanks to Samsung's Vision AI processing, Alexa built-in is helpful for basic voice commands, and Samsung's smart interface feels clean and easy to use. This TV fits perfectly for movies, sports, gaming, and family viewing. Overall, the Samsung 65-inch QLED Q7F 2025 model is an excellent all-rounder TV.